Historically, bolts and rivets have been used to hold the metalworking world together. Cars, ships, and planes were made of metal plates studded with bolts. Over time, these machines became streaked with rust as the bolt holes corroded. Today, planes and cars have almost no visible bolts or rivets. Their streamlined surfaces have no Frankenstein bolts anywhere in sight. The CMAXX dust and fume collector has eliminated the leaks and rusting that come with external bolt holes. Outdoors, exposed to the elements, the bolt-free exterior of the CMAXX resists corrosion and protects filters. When you look at the CMAXX, you'll see what dust collection without bolts can look like.